Now, spiritual means if you begin to experience something beyond the physical, if your life is such that you have started experiencing something beyond the physical, now you're spiritual. It's the simplest possible way to put it. If your experience of life transcends the physical and something other than the physical is happening, then we can say you're spiritual. Now, in what way is yoga connected with spirituality? Spirituality is just an aspiration. Yoga is the technology to get there, a method. It works on you on the level of your body, on the level of your mind, on the level of your emotion, on the level of your energy, because these are the four dimensions in which you exist. So for every dimension that is reality within you, see, God is not a reality in your life, it's just a belief. What kind of God you believe in is just what kind of social situations you've been brought up in, isn't it? Yes? Whether your God has 2 hands or 4 hands or elephant head or cat head or tail or whatever, is just according to your social and cultural influences upon you. So God is not a reality, it's your imagination. Your body is a reality, your mind is a reality, your emotion is a reality, and the energy which empowers all this is a reality. So these are the only 4 realities which are a living experience for you right now. So if you want to go from here to somewhere, these are the only 4 tools with which you can go. These are the only 4 vehicles you can use to transport yourself to another place. So for these 4 dimensions, we have 4 basic yogas. If you use your intelligence and reach out to your ultimate nature, we call this Gnana Yoga. If you use your emotion and reach out to your ultimate nature, this is called as Bhakti Yoga, yoga of devotion or emotion. If you use your physical action and reach out to your ultimate nature, we call this Karma Yoga or yoga of action. If you use your energies to transform your energies and reach your ultimate nature, we call this Kriya Yoga, yoga of transforming energies. So these are the only 4 ways. What this means is your head, heart, hands, energy. These are the 4 dimensions of you. Is there anybody here who is only head, no heart, hands, energy? Is there anybody here with just one big heart, not the other things? You are a combination of these 4 things, isn't it? It is just that each human being here is a unique combination of these 4 things. Now, if you want to progress somewhere, your yoga should be a combination of these 4 things. Why? For ages, there has been so much stress on the presence of a live guru is simply because of this, so that he makes the right concoction for you, because each one of you is a unique combination of these 4 dimensions. That a yoga that I apply for this person, if I apply to this person, it will not work. He needs a unique combination. So that's what is being done here. Though we are all sitting together in the same hall, we are not mixing the same combination for each person. You will see as it progresses, towards the end of the program, people will share as if they have been in different programs. Already happened. Because we're mixing different combinations for different people, otherwise it won't work. That is why there's so much stress on a live guru.